Today we'll be showing you how to replace the LCD display on the Fixie. Tools you'll need: a 2.5mm Allen key. First, we'll release the LCD wire from the cable clip. Follow the wire down from the display and locate the cable clip, sliding it sideways to open it and remove the wire. Next, we'll disconnect the LCD cable wire. Locate the Juliet connectors and disconnect them. Use your thumb against your other hand to get better leverage. Disconnect them in one motion. Locate the 2.5mm bolt from underneath the display and remove it using the 2.5mm Allen key. Once the bolt is removed, you can release the clamp assembly. Reattaching the LCD display. Position the new LCD bracket assembly to the left side of the handlebar. Reinsert the 2.5mm bolt to secure it just enough to allow you to adjust the position of the display. After the LCD is in your preferred position, go back and firmly secure the screen. Careful not to over-tighten the bolt. This should just be tight enough so that the LCD does not move. Next, we'll reattach the LCD cables. Line up the arrows located on each connector to help with the connector orientation. Be careful not to bend the internal pins as they're fragile. Press firmly to reconnect the cables. Insert the LCD wire into the cable organizer and close the clip to secure the wire. Finally, turn on the screen by holding down the power button located at the top of the LCD display. Your new LCD display is now ready for use on your next ride. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support staff at Rize Bikes. Thanks for watching.